Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today first and see what we get. 2828. Confidence. I radiate confidence and self-assurance. I believe in my abilities and trust in my potential. With confidence, I pursue my goals and create the life I desire. They're stuck. Harmonious weave. Find balance and coherence as you weave your path with intention. Threaded transitions. $57. Unmarked trail. Revelation. And today's quotes. Let's check out this one today. I don't believe in age. I believe in energy. Don't let age dictate what you can and cannot do. Absolutely. A secret to happiness is to trust your flavor of crazy and never apologize for being the boldest spice in the cabinet. Not all blessings are in the form of money. Sometimes it can be a whole day of rest, a laugh with friends, and being surrounded with people who truly care. Deep down, you know that there's a habit costing you the quality of life you want. Cut it. And the last one today. Some people are human medicine. You spend an hour with them and everything feels better. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.